Ever woken up from a dream featuring a snake, feeling a chill? These powerful symbols often carry profound messages. If a snake appears, be vigilant. It might signal hidden enemies, deceit, or unresolved issues lurking. Pay close attention to your surroundings. Did the snake bite you? This often warns of impending harm or conflict. Take steps to protect yourself and avoid confrontations. If the snake approached but then retreated, take heart. This suggests potential troubles may be overcome, perhaps with divine assistance leading to peace. Don't let these powerful dream symbols leave you confused, and instead their wisdom to navigate life's challenges. Share your dream experiences and seek further insights to unlock their full meaning.